Hey there friends, sketch number 59 today from me at Pumpkinhead Stampers. So we're creating with Masterfully made DSP today. I want to do something bright with lots of energy. So our DSP panel is going to be cut as shown here, and then we're going to use these 3 scraps of DSP from previous project and a piece of basic white to create our sentiment tag. So on the lemon lime twist piece, I have stamped my sentiment with Berry Burst ink. So here are all the parts and pieces we're going to use for our simple sketch today, and you know you can get all the details on the mini tutorials. Just use the links below to find them. Okay, so start the card by folding it in half and using your bone folder to give it a good crease. Then we're going to use liquid adhesive and add the DSP to the center of the card. Then I decided to use some of the Parakeet Party metallic ribbon as an embellishment. So I coiled a length around my hand to make a nest, and then adhered it to the center of that DSP panel with a strip of the edge of our dimensionals. Next, I take the 3 pieces of DSP and I layer them on with liquid adhesive to our basic white panel. When I am done, this is what I've got, and I had a little piece of white showing, so I used my paper snips to trim it off. Add dimensionals to the back edges of that sentiment tag we've created and place that right over the center of our metallic ribbon nest. So there we have it, a simple sketch today using Masterfully Made, some nice bright colors to cheer us up in our December weather, and I hope you enjoyed it and will use it in your own sketches. So again, I love comments. You can also give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel here, that always helps. The newsletter link is below, as is my email, so reach out if you have any questions or need help placing an order. I'm here to help you. Great to stamp with you again today, and I will see you again soon.